Tired of waiting all night for your EV to charge? This AIMILER Level 2 charger is 9x faster than standard Level 1 chargers, and today I'm showing you everything you need to know. Right out of the box, you get the charger unit, a massive 25-foot cable, NEMA 1450 plug, and installation guide. That cable length means you can park practically anywhere in your garage. This beast delivers up to 48 amps and 11.5 kilowatt hours of charging power. That's up to 46 miles per hour when hardwired, or 38 miles per hour using the included NEMA 1450 plug. ETL and FCC certified for safety, works with all North American EVs using the J1772 connector. Ford, GM, Nissan, Audi, BMW, Hyundai, Kia, and more. For Tesla or newer NACS vehicles, like the 2025 Kia EV9, you'll need a J1772 to Tesla adapter. Important, you need a 60 amp circuit breaker for 48 amp charging or 50 amp breaker for 40 amp charging. Professional installation is recommended. This requires 6 AWG wiring on the input side. The LED touchscreen shows everything: amperage, voltage, charging speed, and delay timer. 2 modes: plug and charge or Wi-Fi app control. Adjust current from 24 to 48 amps by long pressing the A button. The app is a game changer. Schedule charging during off-peak hours to save money, track charging history, check costs, and get notifications when fully charged. Connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with Bluetooth enabled. Can't find your device? Factory reset by pulling the gun out and long pressing both the A and time buttons. NEMA Type 4 rated, IP66 waterproof protection, and that cable is rated for 10,000 plus charges. Fast, smart, and built to last, this AIMILER charger transforms your home charging experience. Questions? Drop them below.